My name is Aldo Morales Quipo. I am 10 years old once I'm from Peru. I live in the department of Cusco, province of La Convención in Cumpero Chateau. I am from semester 8 of the students at Continental University. Today in what country work I live in a family, daily routine and preferences, personal informativo. I am Peruvian, likes plants, nature, students and learning new things, and for one both make that realize of traveling and discovering new places. Saturdays and Sundays, events on reality and cinque to London and Domi University World. I also spent time with family and travel long vacations. The bus airlines were unique wealthy. I usually studiante afternoon wealthy travel frequently or participate in family activities or meetings in contact with my friends. My likes and preferences, studies and work organize my team. I can also well play match. I participate in Italian service and the show. Tasuk love economic family, work with children and young people and charity team with them. Help keeps them keeps me happy. I am important to place even to places and go feel cambato with them water Berlino. On Saturdays and Sundays and go from nothing to no. Is an oratory where people wanted serve nurses from inter district. So, in the capital, there schools, universities and hospitals have the next proper form. This is a very special place because fear feels and with my family and free is nothing good for place.